What's the meaning of capsize? Capsize. Capsize.
Capsize. Capsize. Capsize refers to the tipping or overturning of a boat or ship in water, leading to it being submerged or partially submerged. This can occur due to various reasons such as rough weather, overloading, or structural issues. When a vessel capsizes, it may result in loss of life, damage to property, and environmental hazards such as oil spills. The consequences of a capsizing can be severe and potentially catastrophic, with immediate rescue and recovery efforts needed to minimize the impact on individuals and the surrounding area.